Hi, I'm Toby Brown. I've been with the university system now for 43 years. There's been a lot of changes. In some cases, there are things that are very much the way they were back years ago. This steam tunnel that we're going to walk down through used to be a walkway so the students in the wintertime could go from Rounds Hall to Mary Lyon's and the Ellen Reed House without going outside. Safety situations since then have changed so that this is no longer an option. But we'll take you down through the steam tunnel and show you the intersections of where the pipes come from and go to. Okay, now we are in the upper end of the tunnel that goes from Rounds Hall up to Mary Lyon. And we're going to go down to Rounds Hall from this point, and you'll see the different access points on the way. This line goes over to the Robert Frost House, and then it turns and goes down the road and heads towards Sam Reed Hall and Blair Dorm. You have to put in new support braces due to the age. The other ones were becoming unsafe, and so this is now what holds these steam pipes up and keeps everybody safe. These lines on your left will be telecommunication and fiber optics going from one building to the other. This is the main junction that goes behind Memorial Hall. Goes down towards the Hartman Union building, over towards Hyde Hall. This is how we can feed our main supply system either from that direction or at the end of this tunnel. It goes down in front of Spear and goes over by Prospect Dining Hall and behind Grafton Dormitory. That's the second way that we can feed our steam and hot water system. Standing in front of the entryway that would go to the Ellen Reed House. This ties into the basement, and then from the basement the steam distribution system goes up through the building. We are now at the end of this tunnel. This tunnel goes from Rounds Hall up to Mary Lyon with those two junctures. And the next tunnel you're going to look at will go from the south end of Mary Lyon, and it ties Mary Lyon across to Sam Reed Hall and up to Blair Dormitory.